Right, on a fresh job today, we're going to rake out and repoint up to about 600 half a metre roughly. We're also going to take out the various bricks along the way and check out and clean out the cavities. So yeah, let the smoke start. Just to point out as well, this is a double skin wall. The face that you see, another brick directly behind that, then you have a cavity. Also as well, it's had damp-proof injections all along the course, above the slate course, which is a perfectly good slate course. In fact, it's brilliant condition. So, a bit of a waste of time. Those bricks, when removed, would literally disintegrate in your hand. They kind of dry them out. There was, obviously wouldn't accept moisture in them. It's, yeah, absolutely rotten. So I had to replace lots and lots of those as well. Here we go, plenty of access gained, really good sized holes to get in and really get all the stuff out of there, and notice no bricks have dropped. There's a tip for that. If you wait for a bit later, I shall tell you. Here's a tip for me. Next time, remove the really heavy water butt that was in the way of that corner. As you can see, it was a right mess behind it. And also probably a tip for you if you're watching and thinking of doing this. Remember, check things properly. Back to the job in hand. Once all the cavities were cleaned out, I had to rebuild the inner skin. That was very awkward, but I did it. I used new bricks so that we could save the old bricks and use those for the face. Right, top tip time. When you're going to be taking bricks out, there's an order of doing things, and if you're going to be repointing, don't rake out first. That cement that they've probably used, which I'm guaranteed they probably have if you're going to be doing this sort of thing, will hold those bricks up. If you remove that, there's a good chance those bricks will drop. So leave the raking out. Take the bricks out first. Really good idea. How I do my bricks when I take them out is I use a drill and I drill through the mortar. Then what I use is a recip saw with a Bosch brick blade, and I cuts and it cuts through like butter. Beautiful. Doesn't disturb everything and doesn't damage any of the bricks. If you're going to do a job properly, do it properly. It's all about the aftercare with lime. Hessian is your friend. Once all the bricks put back in, brick repair's done, we can start the repointing. Great stuff. Right, I'm flipping straight to the finish for the repointing. I've got other videos on the repointing, check those out. Here it is, finished. It was never going to look absolutely amazing. The actual brickwork wasn't that great to start with, but I'm very pleased with how it's come out, and I know the job's done properly. Function over form a little bit, but still a very neat job for all I had. So happy days.